let's discuss a somewhat provocative question. Could USDT eventually replace the US dollar? Tether CEO Paolo Ardoino believes it could. His cryptocurrency is widely used and backed by a broad mix of assets. For example, the company already owns nearly 140 tons of gold and is effectively becoming one of the biggest players in the precious metals market. Is this still just a stablecoin or something bigger?
Yes, Tether has long since moved beyond being a token for trading. In practice, USDT has become a digital dollar for countries and markets where access to the traditional dollar system is limited. And gold is a strategic insurance policy here. Ardoino says it outright: the world is moving toward alternatives to the dollar, especially given today's geopolitical tensions.
But can USDT really compete with the dollar as a global currency? After all, the dollar is backed by a state, the Fed, and the US Treasury market.
Replace the dollar entirely? No. But take over some of its functions? Yes. USDT already acts as a unit of account, a store of value, and a tool for cross-border payments. For millions of people, USDT is the dollar, just without banks, sanctions, or weekends.
What's interesting is that Tether isn't just holding gold. It's planning to actively trade its reserves, competing with JP Morgan and HSBC. That's starting to look like a central bank.
Exactly. Only without a government mandate. Tether uses revenue from USDT to accumulate real-world assets: gold, equities, and royalty-based companies. It's a hybrid model, digital currency plus a commodity-backed asset base. In an environment where trust in traditional currencies is declining, that approach looks logical.
So USDT isn't a replacement for the dollar. It's the dollar evolving.
More like an overlay. The dollar remains, but USDT is becoming its most convenient and geopolitically neutral form. And that's already reshaping the global financial architecture.